How to download and install Google Calendar on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If your calendar is a jumble of sticky notes, reminders, and mental to-dos, don't worry. Getting Google Calendar on your iPhone is super simple. First of all, launch open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Google Calendar in the search box. From the search results, look for the Google Calendar Get Organized application from Google and tap on the Get or the cloud icon. Now, if you are downloading the app for the first time on your mobile device, go ahead and scan your Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password. Once you are done, you will be able to start the download process. Make sure you are downloading the official app that says Google Calendar Get Organized. After you are done with the download, click on Open, allow necessary access, and sign in using your Google account's credentials. So that's it. Now you have Google Calendar on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.